Hi, I'm Roger from EVANNEX. Today we're going to be talking about an installation overview for one of our most anticipated new products, a rear trim piece for the Model 3 trunk hatch. The reason we developed this is that a lot of our customers have asked whether we could make the rear of the Model 3 look a bit more like the rear of a Model S or a Model X. The trim piece comes with high-grade, high-strength automotive adhesive as a backing. So what we need to do is to run this trim piece along what we call the ridge line of the trunk hatch. The ridge line sits about 20 millimeters above this indent here where the camera resides and the license plate lighting resides. We begin simply by removing some of the adhesive from the back of the trim piece over here and laying it into place about 1 millimeter from the lighting assembly and along the ridge line you see here. We only remove about 2 inches of adhesive, fitting the trim piece on its edge so that it doesn't appear fully, and then laying it out carefully to be sure that it fits neatly and evenly along the trunk line. You'll note that the word Tesla is embedded in the trim piece, and the S in Tesla should be exactly centered on the tip of the T that's the back of your Model 3. The distance between the tip of the T and the top of the trim piece is around 4 millimeters or so. We take our trim piece, adhere it here on its edge only, make sure it fits using our fingers to guide it. Once we're quite sure that it's even and properly fit, we then simply take a cloth, push down on the trim piece once, come back twice, and you now have a rear for your Model 3 that looks an awful lot like a Model S or a Model X.